Okay, so I'm going to try to solve day 6 of Advent of Code. Why day 6? It's Advent of Code is this site where they have lots of exercise. Sorry, and it's on day 11, but I'm still on day 6. And oops, I was not showing the site here. It's still, let me. So today is December 11th, and there is one exercise for each day until December 25th, I believe. So I'm on day 6. Day 6 is customs. First thing I do is, let me increase the font here. I create a new Elixir project named day 06. So it takes some time while it's creating the project. Let me see. Customs. As your flight approached the regional airport, you switch to a much larger plane. Custom declaration forms are distributed to the passengers. Yes, I know. And the form asks a series of 26 yes or no questions marked A through Z. All you need to do is identify the questions for each. Anyone in your group answer yes. Since your group is just you, this doesn't take very long. However, the person sitting next to you seems to be experiencing a language barrier and asks if you can help. For each of the people in their group, you write down the questions for which they answer yes, one per line, for example, ABCX, ABCY, ABCZ. In this group, there are 6 questions, ABCXYZ, to which anyone answered yes. Okay. Another group asks for your help, then another, and eventually you've collected answers from every group on the plane. Your puzzle input. So one of the first things I do here is I save the puzzle input. Let me see if the thing that I have to put here, because I'm using Windows subsystem for Linux, Home, Adolfo. It's on the folder my GitHub, IFP, simple exercise, Dolphin D, Advent of Code. And here's the folder that was created by Mix. So this is the first thing I do. I do a mix test here. What? Oh, yes, I have to go to day 6. No, day 06, mix test. I'll go back to the problem description later. Okay, it's here. Let me open Visual Studio Code while I read there. So a group, okay, another group asks for your help, then another, eventually you collect answers from every group on the plane, your puzzle input. So this is interesting. Let me try to open this file. No, it's better to open it there. Every group on the plane, each group's answer is separate, a blank line. Okay. So the first, I'll get the input file and then separate by blank lines, and within each group, each person's answers are on a single line. Okay, so first group, ABC, second group, A, B, C, third group, AB, AC. Okay, this represents answers from 5 groups. So I'm not going to go there yet, unless I have to wait here. Oh, no, there is some throw or I don't know. Okay. And there was a comment here. It's funny, this comment. When I become famous, buy followers, primes, and viewers on blah, 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 bigfollows.com. No, thanks. Okay, yes. Another thing I do here is as I'm uploading these files to a repo, I add input.txt to gitignore. Why is this? I really don't know. Okay, this is the input. I'm going to delete everything here. And I'm going to the test and delete this. Opens the input file and gets the groups. Get groups for input.txt equals, let me just do this, equals 0, and I'm going to get groups for, here I put the file name. So yes, first thing is I do a file read, file name. This I do a string.split with two new lines, because, and then I'm going to do enum.take 3 only to see the result. Let me do a mixed test. Yes, see, the first, let me see the input again. First, let me go to, so the first group is these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Second group is this 1, 2, 3. One very useful tip, if I do, someone told me this yesterday, one of my students. Okay, same thing. But okay, now I have the groups. So these will get me the group. Let me just, yes. I know there are groups. I know it's working. This test is not. I don't know if it's going to work now, but I suppose it will. Yes. Wow. 498 groups. Yes. I don't have the time to check. Oops, what happened? What happened? Missing terminator. Yes, I deleted an else. Okay, so now I have, I'm not sure if my sound is working. This is a problem because I'm not, let me try to view this on YouTube because I'm recording this live, but there's no one watching, so maybe it's not working, maybe it is, but I'm going to leave this video for my students, and I want to check if everything is okay with the sound. Or if you are watching this on YouTube, yes, it's working, and okay. So next step is to, if I have the groups, I can have the so I can get this, for instance. Let me copy this. So this is a group. And I can assert that what's the name of the thing that I do? Answers. So if I get the answers for a group, I expect this to be this here. So I'm going to manually do that, but I shouldn't need, because this is the result of one very simple operation, which is, what's the name? Get answers. Get answers from a group to, I just have to string dot split bar and string column. Is this column or semicolon? I don't remember, but I have to. Let me run the test. The name of the test is wrong. Gets the answers from a group. Okay, now I have the answers. So this is the input. The list represents 5 groups. The first group contains 1 person who answered yes to 3 questions, A, B, and C. Okay, the second group contains 3 people. Yes, 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 yes. So what's my goal? The sum of these counts is, okay, yes, yes to 3, yes, 3, 1, 1. So what I have to do is to count the yeses. Test, count, yes, answers in a group, right? Third, I know this is not the best way to write a test case, but I'm really not inspired. Get yes answers from a group. I'm going to use their group, the group that's here, oh, not here, here. So I just write here that this is a group, and this is 1, 2, 3. I don't believe this is the best way. No. sure if I can do this, but I believe it's okay. Let me try to format this. Yes, it seems to have worked. Okay, so now what I have to do is def get yes. First I have to run the test and see that it fails. Okay, it was expected to fail. Now I define a function called get yes answers from a group. So the first thing I do is to get this group and pass it to no, it's actually not a group, right? Because it's okay. Now I get it. It's not a group, it's a plane, right? And to is another group. Okay. This is a plane. This is the full answers in a plane. In a plane. This is a plane. You see, I type very, very badly. Okay, so I count the answers in a plane. It's going to be 11. So the first thing I do in a plane is I'm going to get groups for this plane. If I run the test, it's going to be wrong, but at least I will know that I get not read file. Oh, okay. So I can do this. It's not okay because yes, maybe the best thing I should do here is to let this. I'm going to use this only for the test, and this is a plane. Doesn't make sense to have a pipe only for one thing, so let me run again. See if the other test is not failing. Okay, so you see, I have the first group, the second group, the third group, okay, every group, and for each of these, I dot map get answers. Okay, so the first, the second, so I have the answers. I have a list where each list contains a group. So now I just have to dot map count yes in a group, right? I have to find a function count yes answers. Answers list of yes, it's a list of answers. me return 0 just for testing here. I don't need this here right now because it's going to be what happened here. Just a moment. And for each notable group as another eventually collected. Okay, so what should I do here? I have an idea. Let me see. I do list of answers, then I do join. And I do string graphines. It's not going to work because it's not supposed to work right now, but okay. Now I can do I have something like new Elixir? Dedup. One, two, three, two, one. Do I have to sort it first? Sort, and then I do dedup. Yes. Do I have something like unique and a map, keys? Yes, I don't need all of that. I just need unique, so I get only the different letters in that group. And then, what? Yes, no, it's okay. And then I do length. Okay, and you see I got the number of yes answers for each answer, and I just have to do sum. Okay, passed, but do I have the right answer? I have now to out yes answers in the plane from my input file. So my plane is file.read input.txt. It's not going to be 11, right? Because it may be 7128. 7,128. I'm going to click submit. If it's okay, yes, that's the right answer. So my implementation is correct. I just test, mix format, and what else? I'm going to do a git add, git commit exam, advent of code 2020, day 6, task 1, and git push origin main. So now I'm going to GitHub. It's my handle, my account on GitHub. It's Adolfo NT. This NT is because my last name is Neto. And the project, it's on an organization that I created. Oh, no, I don't want to. So it's going to, why did I open WhatsApp? I don't want to open WhatsApp. Just a moment, let me just check if everything's okay. Yes, it is. Now I can add my screen again. So here I am, repositories, simple exercises, and I create a pull request. Create pull request, create pull request. And as I'm the creator of the organization, I can merge the pull request myself. Then you can go here to this, you see, it's here, advent of code, day 6. So this is what I'm going to leave in the description also. Unfortunately, for this is a long web address, but it's there if you want to see the code for this solution. You see, yes, this is something that Windows might have added when I downloaded, but the code is here. Let's see it again. So I only have a function get groups for a plane, get answers for a group, get yes answers for a plane, count yes answers. It's very, very simple code. Thank you very much. See you